up? So today I have a very exciting video from you. Link's got very excited about sound to clap. Does this make you happy? Yeah? Are you like, let's go, let's go? I posted a Mary Kay makeover video about a week, 2 weeks ago, and then while I was there, I shouldn't take the credit for this. My friend Gina, who was with me, she was like, someone should take this skincare from Mary Kay and help young theater actors get better skincare. And I was like, that's genius. I used to use Mary Kay growing up. I still use some of their products, and my mom uses it. Like, it's a very trusted brand in our family. I have a lot of respect for it. And as someone who has had skin damage from being in shows, like, skincare is incredibly important. You're doing so many shows a week with so many layers of makeup. Don't go that way, you're gonna knock the camera over. Links? Skincare is just so incredibly important when you're doing that many shows a week with that much makeup. Like, the better your skin now, the longer your career. For example, Gina, she is an older woman, but you would never know how old she was because her skin is in such great condition. And that helps her get a lot of like close-up film roles because her skin looks really good. And that's because she's been taking really good care of it with Mary Kay products. She used to sell them. Mary Kay is a great brand. So I'm very excited to announce that I am now Mary Kay consultant. Tonight is my first party. I have a lot to learn. Like, I need to learn better care about my skin, which I can then help you guys learn, as well as I need to learn more about makeup. I mean, I'm not like obsessed with makeup. I don't ever see myself being like that, but it would be good to learn some tricks for better show makeup looks. If I can walk into a show being like, I can do the acting, I can fit into the costumes, and I can wear this makeup proudly, like, I'm just gonna feel way more confident in that role. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Mary Kay starter kit. I'm so excited. I have no idea what to expect. And I know it's gonna be like a bunch of products, but I'm very excited to open it. Start off with this cute little card saying, welcome to being a Mary Kay consultant. I just love the little flags. Aren't they so cute? Very first piece is this beautiful Mary Kay bag, which is gonna carry all of my product and probably my notebooks, because I am an organizational freak and I need to have everything organized. So I'm gonna have notebooks and binders and all this stuff for all my information because I don't want to forget it or lose a thing. I'm very excited about this. It's got all these great pockets. And I'm not really a flowers person, but look at that lining. Like, I think I just love the colors. We've got blue and purple and the decent shade of pink. I'm not really a pink person. And then we've got this giant box full of all the product. So here we go. It's gonna be fun. Which way does it open? This way. All right. Woo! Look at this. It's like a full-on display. I love it. Oh my god. Am I a basic white girl? I don't know. Maybe. Oh, it comes with a little planner. This is perfect. Just keeping track of appointments and all kinds of stuff. I'm very excited. I'm so excited about this, guys. Like, just something new to experience and to learn about. It's gonna be great. Whoa! There's a whole book about Mary Kay Ash. I need something to read, so this is great. Like, I have been without a book for a little while here. Okay, yep, a little flyer about like earning the cards and stuff like that. Great stuff. Just a lot of paperwork, so this is all good. This is good. We can look at all this. Oh, got a magazine. Very nice, very nice. Ooh, okay. Get a whole binder. I like this. The only thing I'm having issue with is the amount of pink. I knew that was gonna happen because Mary Kay's color is pink, but I'm still like, oh my gosh. Why couldn't you have like pink and blue options? Like, just, or a happy medium of purple. Like, just saying. It's like the only pink shirt I own. I was like, I need to wear pink for the party tonight, and I was like, crap, do I own a pink shirt? Ooh! Markers! I love markers! Note cards? Yes. Yes, please. Oh, fun. Okay. This is a little like, I just Mary Kay, how to keep business started. I don't really want to think of this as like a business. I mean, it is a business, but I want to think of it as more just like a fun chapter in my life. Like, when you put the word business, it just makes you think stressful money situations. And I'm like, no, I just want to have something fun, helping bring education to my fellow actors and myself. Again, I have so much to learn. It's not just me helping you guys, it's helping myself. Oh, this is the hand stuff that we use. Our hands were so soft after this stuff. I'm obsessed. That's like the one girly part about me. There's a few girly parts about me, but I really like having soft hands because I just don't like feeling dry skin. Like, I need to have soft hands. Yeah, and so we've got all like the mirrors and stuff for the parties for when people do their pampering sessions, and we've got all the product. She said to like open everything, so I'm gonna have to like go through and open everything. Okay, just a lot of informational stuff. So kind of boring, but kind of fun at the same time. excited. Like, oh, order forms, because, you know, again, it's a business. But just, this is a fun endeavor. Like, I'm just so stoked. So, lots of great stuff. It's gonna be really, really good. Yeah, I'm so excited. I don't even know what to expect. Like, I'm going into this kind of like, when you go into a show, like, it's a blank page. Like, you have the script, but like, the director's gonna look at it one way, you're gonna look at it one way, the set designer's gonna look at it one way. Like, there's just so many, like, people involved. Like, I'm not going into this like, this is what I'm gonna do. My aim is skincare, my aim is to help my theater friends, but I'm going in with like, show me everything. Like, I just wanna learn, I just wanna like, help people have better skin. Like, that is so crucial to living your life as a theater artist. Yeah, like, it's basically a lot of boring stuff, nothing super exciting, but I just wanted to like, make an announcement that yes, I'm now a Mary Kay consultant. Thank you so much to my friend Gina for sponsoring me as a Mary Kay consultant. Without you, this wouldn't have been possible, so I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. This is so exciting. I want to make you proud. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I'm so stoked. So, we need like a thumbnail picture, you know what I mean? I should have filled it with everything and then it could have been falling out. Okay, yeah, so it's just this giant box full of all this stuff that I'm gonna need to help me have parties and to get my business started. I don't like calling it business. To help get my Mary Kay chapter of my life started, and I'm very excited. Hope this video wasn't too boring, and I will see you guys on my next part of this adventure. I'm so excited. Hope you will stick around and be part of this with me. Alright, bye!